Hey folks, that wind advisory stays in effect until 7 o'clock this evening. Gusts almost 40 miles an hour, over 40 in some places earlier. It's in effect for Hidalgo County, Willacy County, Cameron County, Kennedy, Brooks to the north, all the way up to the coastal bend as well. After 7 o'clock, once we lose the heating of the day, it should settle down just a little bit at least. Here the gust this last hour, we're still looking at 37 up and down the I-69 E corridor, 35 at the coast, about 30 Edinburgh, 33 McAllen. Not as strong in Starr County. Gusts there only to about 20 miles an hour. Here are your current temperatures, still 91 in the west, 80s in Hidalgo County, and mostly 70s in Willacy and Cameron, but Brownsville still hanging in there at 80 degrees this afternoon. Temperatures are going nowhere tonight. We're going to bottom out in the low to mid 70s, about 72 Edinburgh, about 70 in Brownsville. The cool spot, South Padre Island, at about 68, and then tomorrow, back up into the 80s and a little warmer in the west, a little cooler at the coast, but a pretty good breeze tomorrow as well. Back out of the southeast again, gusts probably at over 30 miles an hour again tomorrow afternoon. High temperature wise, the norm now for middle to latter part of February is 75. We're going to be running 87 or so the next 3 days with maybe a shower or two. We'll look at those chances in just a second. This is cloud cover today. There were clouds early, but they broke, giving us some sunshine this afternoon, but the fog kind of, or not the fog, but rather the wind kind of getting in the way of enjoying that nice sunshine during the afternoon. Future track suggests the middle of the night we could see a little batch of showers, maybe even a thunder shower come up from the southwest. This is the only model showing this, but it bears watch because this is a high resolution model and it indicates there could be a brief passing shower, but notice it disappears as quickly as it shows up. So it'll be much more mist than hit if it even happens at all, but we're putting a chance of a shower in there for during the overnight hours. Then tomorrow, partly sunny skies and windy again. We go forward then into Wednesday. An isolated shower can't be ruled out, front stalling to the north of us, but we still see at least a little bit of sunshine. 30%, 20%, 30% the next 3 days. We're throwing that slight risk in there every day. None of it's big, none of it's widespread, none of it's the kind that helps the drought any, but you could get a brief shower, perhaps even a thunder shower that kind of just dampens the things for just a little while. Look to the north, 70s all the way up to the northern part of Texas till you get to Dalhart, 55 up there. Front on the move. It's just moving into the state as we speak, and it will continue pushing south and eastward, but this is the front that, like the others, is not going to get here. It's going to stall to the north of us, probably won't make it to Corpus Christi. It'll get close and then stop and move back to the north as a warm front, and that'll be the end of that. Our next front then, perhaps late Saturday or Sunday at this point, and even that just a possibility right now. So 73 tonight, back up to 87 tomorrow. Windy again, south-southeasterly winds at 12 to 25. We keep the temperature at 87 every day through Saturday. If that next front's able to push through, it'll cool it into the 70s for Sunday and Monday, but even at that, not a big cool down. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.